Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It is Charlotte. I am so excited to be doing this Angel Dream Crafts Kim design team share because when I shared these gorgeous laces with you, I knew what I was going to be doing, and it was all I could do to just not spit it out. I was just so excited, and this is it. I think this is one of the most beautiful bags I've ever created. I am in love with this. I'm still thinking about maybe putting some ribbon bows back here, maybe a couple more pieces of lace. This is what is on the front. I kind of hate to hide this, but I am thinking, I'm not positive she's done. Yeah, I don't know that I want it laying, if it lays on a table or lays on something that I want it laying on pearls. It will go into my shop, but the second design team project will be going with this. So yeah, you probably can guess what that's going to be. Yeah, I'm not real sure. I am, yeah, tongue-tied because I'm just so excited about this. It's just beautiful. Okay, so for those of you that did not see my unpackaging of Angel Dream Crafts Kim shop laces, they're all out here on my table, and they came in this beautiful satin bag. Kim created this satin bag, I think, for all of the designers. Isn't that just, the color is just so soft and gorgeous. And I knew the minute I saw it, okay, this bag is going to be something very, very special. Kim had lace through the handle here, and just as a little recap, she had these laces attached. When you look at that, that is just so pretty. And I took that off, and I wanted a seam binding ribbon because I wanted the focal point to be of the laces on the front on what I had done here. And you can see, if we start from the bottom, this gorgeous lace was this here. I am in love with this. It isn't really, it's not really pink, but it's not really like a tea or a coffee color. It's some kind of a mocha with, to my eyes, it's like a mocha with a little bit of pink put in. Beautiful. So that was the first layer. And then, of course, I fell in love with this polka dot. This has a double ruffle polka dot, and that's what I used over the top of the brown. And then the grape lace. Oh, guys, look, it's just so beautiful. And if you wanted to, you could just cut a bunch of grapes out. Look at how pretty that is. So I had to use that. And then one of my all-time favorites to use in my work, I can never get enough of this because it's just pretty, pretty, pretty. It's soft and it just looks good on everything. So use that. And then I thought about completely covering this up. To be completely honest with you, I was going to take, where's my pearl trim? I just had it. Oh, this. I was going to take this and go all the way around the top with it. But I was afraid it would get lost and then you wouldn't see this gorgeous satin color. So I decided against doing that. But then what I did is I took a piece of this I cut this off here, which is this piece, and then I cut this off, which is this piece. And in a previous package, Kim had sent this flower, lace flower that she made with this button. And so I hand stitched that on there. And then I had this is like that, and I cut this piece off of here, and I hand stitched it on here, and then I added these gorgeous flowers. Now, do I have those flowers in here? They come in bunches, and I don't know where. Sorry guys, I don't, oh, here they are. This is how they come, in a bunch like this. So I cut 2 of them off and I attached them to the front, and then I looked at it and I thought, oh, takes my breath away. It is so beautiful. It's just romantic and feminine, but then I thought, ooh, buttons. Now Kim's shop does have vintage buttons, but these were not from Kim's shop. I have a huge collection of vintage buttons, and all 4 of these are vintage. Each one is different, and they're all vintage, and I hand stitched the buttons on as well. So what I'm doing now, I'm considering this to be done, but I am looking at the back wondering if I want to do something up here. And if I took seam binding ribbon and created a bow and maybe put a button, maybe that's what I'll do. I'll put a bow up here or up here and put a vintage button on there, because that wouldn't get caught. It wouldn't harm anything. If it was on a table, it would be fine. But this is my first design team project for Kim, Angel Dream Crafts Kim on Etsy, and I will link all of the designers below in the description box, and Kim's shop, her Instagram, and her Facebook. And you are more than welcome to join the Facebook group if you want. But yeah, you know what's going to come for the second part of this. Yep, we have to put something inside of her, don't we? Yep, and we are going to be using a lot of these laces. I am going to try to stay away from the pinks because they're just so bright. I mean, beautiful. Yeah, they are beautiful. I'm not promising I won't get the pinks in there, but I really would like to try to keep this. Oh, look at that though. Oh my goodness. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. I want to keep the neutrals, but I might have to sneak a little bit of this in there. Yeah, I can't promise that I won't, guys, but we'll see. So Kim, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I had a great time with this gorgeous satin bag and all of these beautiful, beautiful laces. So let's give Kim some love, and I hope everybody has a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Hugs, guys. Thank you so much. Bye.